Welcome back, everybody. I hope that you've had a good rest with your families over the break and are ready to get back to some learning. We welcome in 2021 and trust it will be a brighter, happier and easier year for all of us. If 2020 has taught us anything, it's that life is not perfect. But it also taught us that we have the freedom to choose how we react to things. I'm going to use the help of Charlie McKeesey and his fantastic book, The Boy, the Mole, the Fox and the Horse, to help me through today's assembly. At the start of every term, we focus on a particular Woodmansterne value, and this term's value is responsibility. Responsibility sometimes seems like one of the harder values. It can feel like a weight on our shoulders and sometimes very difficult to achieve. But the responsibility that I'm going to ask you to demonstrate is one I think all of you can achieve. And there's never been such an important time for this particular responsibility to be taken on board. And the responsibility is simply this: kindness. Kindness to your family, kindness to your friends, kindness to adults in school, kindness to the community, even kindness to strangers. But most of all, kindness to yourself. We know that 2020 has been a difficult year for lots of people. Lots of people have been lonely and scared, and we've had to be very, very careful. But being together has helped us get through it. Taking responsibility to ask for help when you need it is both a brave thing to do and a kindness to yourself. By asking for help, we are allowing other people to support us to carry on and get better at things. Asking for help shouldn't be seen as giving up. It's actually being responsible. And this responsibility is just as important as the responsibility for helping other people, which is what you did last term when you collected food for the food bank and raised money for children in need. Helping people when they fall is our responsibility. Responsibility isn't something you need to wait to take on, and neither is kindness. So, if you haven't already started, start now in 2021 by being kind to yourself, kind to your friends, kind to your family, and kind to everyone around you. Because nothing beats kindness. It sits quietly beyond all things. Have a good week, everybody.